Hello and welcome to Learning Music with Izzy. Today we're going to be going over Prelude in C by Bach. And I'm going to be teaching about music because if you don't know, I'm a music major. I'm just really artsy-fartsy, if you know. Okay, so we're going to be starting out. That's right, bitches. Okay, ready? Okay. The left hand. These are the fingers 2 and 1. Like a gun. Okay, ready? That's not right. Start again. This thumb will be on a G, and this finger, number 3, will be on a C, and then the pinky will be on E. First measure, done. So next we're gonna move on to the second measure, and what's really cool about this one is it's the same as the first measure. So you should have no problemos. So we're gonna go back with those gun fingers on the left hand and that cute little thing I showed you on the other hand. Ready? And oh, remember to put the pedal down. Oh my god, music's my... Oh, hold on. Actually, the second measure is different.
Don't you dare touch me! Stand back! No! No!
This is now going to move to A. So we're pretty much just moving up. Still using the pedal. Ready? I want you at home. I want you at home to try that. We're gonna move on to the third measure now. It's gonna be fingers 3 and 1 again. On the whoa, we're changing from the gun to the white girl middle finger. And then the right hand is gonna be on a G, a D, and an F. Ready? Pedal down! Damn. So what I want you at home to try, drill those measures until you don't even have to think about it, and then try to smash them together into a 3-measure sandwich. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to smash them together, but since I'm a music major, I might be a little ahead of you, but you don't have to worry, at home, don't even worry about it, okay? I don't expect you to move this fast. I'm just I'm learning with you right now, okay, guys? Ready? It's just as easy as that. Definitely don't expect you to do as good as I just did, but practice makes permanent, as my band director would say in high school, and just keep trying. That's what I want to say to all my Sweezy 1, 2, 3 years out there. Okay, so now let's get to the meat. Okay, so
me realizing my hair's flat as fuck.
That's how you get volume, my friends. Now we're gonna move on to the 4th measure. Okay. Wait, I feel like I've heard this before. The first measure. Looks like we have a repeat. Looks like Bach was getting a little lazy here, but better for us, am I right? Yeah, and you definitely should not have to practice that again. And if you do, I just have to say, step it the fuck up. Sorry. Now we're just gonna tackle the rest of the song, which is pretty easy. There's 2 more pages to tackle. And the rest of the first page. But guys, we got this. It'll take not even that long. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so first we're gonna start out with, okay guys, so my camera died. YouTuber problems. And so I think I'm just gonna play it for you. And now that we've learned it, sorry. Now that I got most of it, I'm pretty sure. So now we're gonna play it together as a duet, and I know I've learned a lot, you've learned a lot, and if you can't keep up, just remember, I'm a music major, Okay, ready? I'm ready. Don't be afraid to add a little rubato.
So right here you can see I sped it up a little. I just really, as you can see, I really get into my music, and it's just like really important to me, like if you just feel it, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't even look at the music, like it's really easy for me to memorize. Like, I know it might be hard for some other people, but like it's just really easy for me. So like, I don't know, maybe I shouldn't talk, but like, yeah, just get into it. Don't forget the like why you're doing this, okay?
Oh my god, I just love expressing myself through music. Okay. Oh, thanks. Yeah, I just wanted to throw in a little Moonlight Sonata at the end, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's enough of that. Okay, thanks for watching my tutorial. I hope this really helped. And if you're thinking of becoming a music major like me, I'm not saying that you're gonna be as talented as me, okay? But I am saying with hard work, you can actually maybe play as good as me. Oh my god. Okay, thanks for watching, and like, love. Spread love through music. That's my outro.
Hey, I forgot to mention the most important part. Make sure to like and hit that subscribe button.